In this video, we'll take a look at the hurricane wind hazard and how to stay safe from this dangerous threat. Depending on how strong a hurricane is at landfall and how fast it's moving, damaging winds can affect areas well inland from the coast. These wind swaths from Hurricanes Katrina, Gustav, and Michael show how far inland their damaging winds extended. In the images, the red part of the swath indicates the extent of hurricane force winds, while the brownish part of the swath indicates the extent of tropical storm force winds. Taking a look at some pictures from Hurricane Gustav, we see there was significant damage to trees and homes in the Baton Rouge area, despite Baton Rouge sitting more than 75 miles from the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Michael is one of the strongest hurricanes to make landfall in the United States. As it moved through the Florida Panhandle and into Georgia, its winds caused tornado-like damage, snapping thousands of trees in a swath near its center. In Michael's case, most of these trees were in forested areas, but looking back at the pictures from Gustav, it's important to note that falling trees can also damage homes. Hurricane-force winds can also cause significant damage to infrastructure like power lines. The map on the left shows peak power outages across Louisiana due to Gustav. More than 75% of the electric customers in the enclosed area lost power during the storm. Depending on the extent of damage, as well as how long it takes to clear debris, power outages following a hurricane can last anywhere from days to weeks to even a month or more, so it's important to be prepared. To stay safe, consider whether your home is strong enough to withstand a hurricane's winds. Even if an evacuation isn't ordered, some homes may not be safe during hurricanes. Remember that falling trees can cause additional damage. The safest place to be during the height of a storm is in an interior room with no windows on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Put as many walls between you and the outside as possible, and never venture out into the eye of the storm. You can make your home safer by installing hurricane shutters or plywood over the windows ahead of the storm. Finally, you should have enough supplies to last through the storm and for at least another 3 days of the initial response. For more information, visit the National Hurricane Center website at hurricanes.gov. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and check the latest local forecasts at weather.gov/New Orleans.